Good evening, everybody. Uh, we are academia practically engaged in several types of research, and our research findings are presented in a research paper for publication in a reputed journal or indexed journal. We try to publish in a well circulated, well recognized journals. But before publication, our research findings are structured in a proper way for publication. Therefore, we should know about the structure, appropriate structure of a research paper. Research paper basically divided into three parts. Main part is the head parts, which consist of title of the paper, abstract of the paper, and the keywords. Keywords, that means keywords for easily searching from the web. Next important part is the body part, that means the main body of the research, which includes introduction about the research, several methodologies used in the research, major results from the research, and discussion about the research. Lastly, we should conclude about the research and need to acknowledge several contributions, several references used in the research. Additionally, supplementary data or any other information are also need to include into the research paper for easy understanding and to become a good research paper. The abstract of the research paper is very vital. It is written in such a manner that audience or reader easily understand within very short span of time about the research. It includes the major objectives or main objectives of the research, several methodologies used for the research, main findings of the research, and the implications, limitations, or practical utilization of the research. The introduction of the paper is written in such a manner to include the basic proposition of the research, motivation of the research, and the problem statement of the research. That means the basic problem which motivates, which force the researcher to conduct research. Then comes literature review. Literature review is conducted to find the research gap from the literature. Related literatures of the topic of the area are required to review to find out the research gap. Then comes the methodology of the research. Methodology means several sources of data, the econometric models, the methods, different types of variables, and their measurement techniques are incorporated. Lastly, results. Results are the main output, main findings of the research. Results are presented in a summarized manner, in a detailed way, so that the reader can easily understand about the findings of the research. Now, after getting the results, research papers are discussed in a proper manner. Research paper can be discussed from two ways, that is from the theoretical perspective, another is practical perspectives. Lastly, the conclusion. Conclusion means overall conclusion of the research. That means it is the It is the summary of the research. Then acknowledgement and references, that means the contributor or the factors behind the research, resources, literatures, manpower behind the research are acknowledges in the research. In this way, a good research paper is designed, is written, and such research papers are presented to the journal for publication. Thank you.